Something I've been noticing in the alternative hair community is buyer's remorse. And that's because we have wig retailers are creating these beautiful pieces, customized beautiful pieces, and they're not mass produced because they're made by humans. So they're not mass produced. There's a limited quantity that they can probably release every week. And this is presented to thousands of women, right? So some women see a piece and they feel like, oh no, I gotta grab it now or I'm gonna lose out on this beautiful piece. And they purchase the piece, and when they get the piece, they realize they don't really like it like that, and then they return the piece. So in order to minimize buyer's remorse, there are a few things that you can do before you hit buy. Number one, as far as color, get a piece that has a root color at least that matches your color. Sometimes you want to be adventurous with color. You want to try blonde if you've never been blonde before. You want to try pink because you've never tried a fun color before. And you think about being adventurous and you buy this piece, you get the piece, and it's not for you. So you return the piece. But get a piece that has the root color that matches your natural hair color first. That's an easy way to transition into wearing a different color. The second thing, big hair is very glamorous, but it's not always practical. The number one reason that a hair piece is returned or found to be unfavorable is because it is too ridiculous. That Showtime hair, that celebrity hair is not for everybody, especially when you're venturing into alternative hair for the first time, because these super thick pieces automatically turn you off to the piece because you feel uncomfortable with such a high density that is in such contrast to your density. So avoid big hair. Number three, sometimes when you get a new piece, you cannot see the magic because you're not a professional. So every piece you get that piece, and remember in the back of your mind that it is a pre-custom piece and that you may have to take this piece to a professional to have it further customized to fit you. You can have it cut, you can have it thinned out. Sometimes it looks like a butt on the top. You can have that thinned out. You can have it rooted. You can have it layered. There's so many things that further customization can do to make you like your piece. Sometimes the piece you buy looks like it's not flattering to your face shape, but it can be customized. And number four, the most important step in buying a hair piece online, take your time. What's the rush? There's a piece made just for you that's perfect for you. Just take your time. Sit down with a sheet of paper and write down the attributes that you're looking for in the piece, or take screenshots of pieces that you like, or look at pictures of how your hair looked when you liked it the most, and use these as reference guides to the type of piece that you want. Even if you are trying different colors, still use this as a reference guide so you can take your time and grab the right piece at the right time that's right for you. And there's always the option of going to a professional, a non-surgical hair replacement center, a hair loss studio, to get a custom piece made for you. You'll never be able to beat that. I mean, like, finding a pre-custom piece, that's half the battle. But being able to go to a professional and having a piece customized and made for you and made for your particular area of concern, that's always an option. That's always a wonderful decision. And seek a consultation. Sit down and talk to somebody, and then that will steer you into what you like and what you're looking for.